I am Sean Joshua, 18 years old, an extrovert who loves meeting and talking to people. I am known for being kind, dependable, and always trying to stay positive and helpful in everything I do. If I were a color, I would be blue. This color is my favorite, but more importantly, it represents the loyalty, kindness, and reliability that define my character. I care deeply about others and I strive to bring peace and understanding to every situation, making me a trustworthy person people can count on. I have learned that understanding the self is not a final destination you arrive at, but rather the most profound, essential, and lifelong journey any person can undertake. This self-knowledge is the solid, unbreakable foundation necessary for living a truly meaningful, impactful, and authentic life. My exploration involves deeply five distinct, yet fundamentally interconnected dimension of who I am. I explored everything from the fundamental shaping power of mind and thoughts to the necessary respect and discipline required in my physical and sexual self. I gained clarity by realizing my significant role through my actions in the community, both online and offline. I refined my values through the perspective offered by my material possessions and found essential stability and grounding place in my spiritual connection. Through this comprehensive process, I now realize with absolute clarity that my true self is not just a collection of isolated parts. It is a complex, dynamic, and fully integrated whole. This course moved far beyond mere academic study or theoretical concepts. It served as a powerful personal catalyst. It equipped me with both the critical self-awareness and the practical, actionable tools needed to continuously reflect on my choices, limiting assumptions, intentionally choose personal growth, and finally begin the process of responsibly building the confident, integrated, and purposely directed life I have always aspired to live.